Vishal.
जी.
So, how do you look at your journey, OTT Big Boss journey? It's a reality show. And how much have you been exposed in real, on reel?
Oh my God! Look at the wordplays, huh? But I'm impressed. By the way, no, I look at my journey as a roller coaster ride because I've seen ups, I've seen like the lowest downs, and but I'm glad that I could put myself up and like be strong and be strong-headed. कि नहीं, मुझे फिर भी ये चीज़ जीतना है, मैं जीतने आया हूँ और मैं कुछ भी हो जाए मेरे साथ मैं जीत के रहूँगा. Exposed, I don't think I've been exposed because I've done nothing to get exposed, right? The things that have been done with me has been blew out of proportion. That I feel because so yeah, क्या बोलूँ अब इससे ज़्यादा.
Exposed, I meant in your journey, on par with the glitz and glamour world, because it's such a, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, as we say, it's such a glamorous world, and आजकल influencers का ज़माना है, so you all are much more, attractive than the others. How do you look at this new trend?
I'm loving it. कुछ मेरे साथ तो कुछ अलग ही हो गया अंदर. आई एम लविंग इट बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई एम लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटेड, आई एम डिसहार्टेंड दैट आई कुडंट गो. लाइक रेस में इतना आगे आके एक मार्क से चूक गया मैं, तो वो मलाल रहेगा मेरे साथ थोड़े दिन या फिर पता नहीं लाइफ टाइम तक, मुझे नहीं मालूम. क्योंकि आई रियली वांटेड टू विन. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि चलो विन तो ठीक है बट ट्रॉफी भी जीत ली, लेकिन टॉप टू. बट आई एम ग्लैड कि बाहर आके मुझे पता चला कि जो मैंने स्टेज पे बोला था, भले ट्रॉफी जीतू ना जीतू, आई विल श्योरली विन हार्ट्स. तो आई गेस आई हैव डन दैट.
Okay, so for you it is purely winning. It's not competing or participating.
No, it was about competing and participating, but winning was the of course ultimate goal. Because जैसे मकबूल बोलती है ये चीज़, हर कोई जीतने आया है. अब मज़े करने तो आए नहीं हो. ऑफ कोर्स आप एक मेमोरीज बनाओगे, अब वो आप मेमोरीज ज़रूर लेके जाओगे, बट आपका एक अल्टीमेट गोल तो सबका यही है ना, जीतना.
Okay, forgetfulness is better process. You'll forget the memories, what you are storing, because only the worthwhile memories probably you will be keeping it in your mind. What are the worthwhile memories that you're carrying?
My memories with my friends that I made inside the show, and the memories that
they were all first timers, friends, or you know them for long?
No, they like I met Shivani, Kataria, and Makbul for the first time. Yeah, and the thing is, I will carry that thing inside my heart, हमेशा. The memories that I made with them, and also ये भी एक रहेगा मेरे दिल में कि जिंदगी ने मुझे कितना लो दिखाया है. एक शो में मैं कितना मैं गिराया गया हूँ और फिर भी मैं उठा हूँ. तो that pride, that confidence will always be there.
अरे गिर के उठने वाले को तो शेर कहते हैं भैया. तो आप शेर बन के बाहर निकल.
Thank you, ma'am.
And life is all about ups and downs. You learn when you get downs, but you have to be grounded. How do you look at this theory, and how grounded will you be when you're going out, so that you raise high? The bars has to be raised high.
Ma'am, I've always believed in theory of being grounded, because I've come from somewhere where I didn't have like much luxury. I come from a very middle class family, from a very small gully.
All of us come from a middle class.
That's what I'm saying.
Which gully?
मीरा रोड की गली.
कोई नहीं, मीरा रोड अब बड़ा हो गया.
बड़ा हो गया है. तो मीरा रोड ट्रॉफी लानी थी, बट कोई बात नहीं. So I've come from that place. So being grounded is the only thing that I carry. Because my parents have always taught me कि आप कुछ भी कर लो ज़िंदगी में, अगर आप लोगों से अच्छे नहीं हो, अपने काम से सच्चे नहीं हो,
बिल्कुल
आप ज़िंदगी में आगे नहीं जा सकते. तो मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा थियरी कि आप अपने खुदा में विश्वास रखो, अपने माँ बाप में विश्वास रखो, और जो लोग आपसे मिलते हैं उनसे आप इज्जत से पेश आओ. हार
जीत तो दुनिया भर के साथ है,
ठीक है, लेकिन
इसमें रोने धोने की कोई बात नहीं है. और विशाल उन ऊंचाइयों को छुएगा जो किसी ने नहीं छुई है.
थैंक यू.
हाउ डू यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट योरसेल्फ, a little bit about yourself, because the readers would like to, viewers will like to say.
I think it was a reality show, and according to me, I have been as real as I can be, because अगर आप मुझे बाहर भी आप मेरे साथ घूमोगे एक हफ्ते, you will see I was exactly like that when I was inside the house.
Okay.
So according to me, my journey has been nothing but real.
Honest, true.
Honest, true to my personality, true to my heart, because outside also I carry my friendship on my sleeves. I do that because once I accept you as my person, as my very good friend, I can like give up anything for that person. That's how I am.
So Vishal is a 4 a.m. friend also.
4 a.m.,
At
5
any time
a.m.,
he
6
will
a.m.,
be
7 a.m.
he will be there for your rescue, you know.
I
Is
will.
it that?
Yeah.
Okay, he's giving an open invitation to people. अगर एक हफ्ते मेरे साथ घूमोगे तो मुझे जान जाओगे. कौन तैयार है?
आ जाओ.
कहाँ घुमाने ले जाओगे?
जहाँ जाओ घूमना है.
Okay, then what do you have to say about your forthcoming projects and forthcoming journey? You know, how do you look at it?
Ma'am, I'm very excited for the kind of work that I'm gonna do. It's been like just 1 or 2 days since I'm out of the house, and I'm just grasping all the love and taking in, soaking in, and let's see. I hope that I will get like nice work, and I will catch on that, and I will make people even more proud by my work.
Okay, there are many girls who are vowing at you, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know about
so
that.
you are single?
Yes, I am single.
Don't tell me.
Yeah.
You must have enjoyed puppy love also. You're such a cute little boy, handsome also.
Yeah. So
in what class did you taste that puppy love?
puppy love.
बोलो.
I tasted puppy love when I was in 9th standard.
Okay, ठीक है, बड़ा हो चुका था. 9th में तो आप adult ही हो जाते हो. What was it, sitting in the classroom with the teacher or with your next? Was it a co-ed school?
No. It was not co-ed school. So my first crush happened when I was in 6th standard.
Oh.
With like English teacher pe.
हाँ.
Yeah.
English teacher. English teachers are attractive.
Yeah. And, so she's still in my touch. I still follow her.
You must be respecting her. Of course.
Yeah, of course.
It's a sort of a respect and
so
love. I understand.
I used to like the way she used to teach and all. So I considered her as my crush. But the first time I got involved
with a girl
in relationship was in 9th standard. I was too young. Yeah, I used to meet like once in 10 or 12 or 15 days, and we used to just hold hands and roam, and that would be enough for us to go have ice cream and stuff.
Wow.
To go game play, game parlor.
Wow.
So yeah.
Such a nice, clean, neat friendship. And you are also a friendly guy, as you said. Do you think आज के ज़माने में friendship is really true? Because आज के ज़माने में children are not very committed. They are not very this thing, you know.
Yeah.
अभी ये नए terms भी आ गए हैं. Situational friendship,
and all this.
yeah, open relationship. We were not like that, you know. लड़ो मरो एक ही छत के नीचे.
एक ही छत के नीचे.
So how do you look at this situationship and that?
Ma'am, I'm very old school.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, I'm very old school.
I'm so happy to meet a young boy as an old school
I'm
follower.
one woman man.
Oh wow!
So if
people want men like you.
Yeah, so if I get my like dream girl, I don't have to look here and there. My focus will be there.
Okay, lastly, since they're standing on my head, what are the qualities of that one dream girl you are looking forward to?
So I want a very घरेलू, very घरेलू who can like take care of, जो मेरे घर को, जो मेरे मकान को घर बना सके.
क्या बात है.
एंड जो थोड़ी ह्यूमरस हो, थोड़ा सा इंटेलिजेंट हो, जिसको समझ हो, सही और गलत की परख हो, जिसको परिवार को साथ में लेके चलना इम्पोर्टेंट हो. सो आई एम वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल लाइक दैट. सो आई वांट समवन लाइक दैट.
So nice. On a concluding note, girls, those who are watching this must try and get in touch with this guy. He is a one-woman man.
Yeah, I am.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
It was a nice.
Same here.
God bless
I
you.
loved that